The backbone of the semi is born in fire, liquid steel, at 1500 degrees Celsius.
Strength is forged as the molten chaos creates a solid, unyielding structure.
Quality approved. This coil is ready for the chassis line.
The journey of 1,000,000 miles begins with a single sheet of steel. Precision lasers ensure every millimeter of the chassis is perfect.
These rails must withstand hauling 82,000 pounds for decades.
The skeleton of the beast takes shape.
A fusion of steel that forms an unbreakable backbone.
Frame secured. Initiating transfer to the E-coat.
Confirmed. Dipping sequence engaged.
Electrified liquid bonds to the steel, guaranteeing the frame survives 1,000,000 miles of weather. Robots paint with an electrostatic charge, ensuring not a single drop is wasted. This unique code is the truck's birth certificate, etched in steel forever.
Heavy-duty rubber air springs are mounted onto steel pedestals. These bags provide the smooth, magic car.
Air suspension allows this heavy hauler to glide like a luxury sedan. Copper vanes carry the lifeblood of the truck, pure electricity. The foundation for precision steering is bolted into place. Carbon fiber wrapping allows the motor to spin at jet engine speeds safely.
Three motors deliver 3 times the power of a diesel engine, instantly.
With 2 drive axles, the semi puts 1,000 horsepower directly to the pavement.
Make sure that's tight against the rail. Secured. All clips look good, ready to flip.
The world turns, and the semi is finally upright, ready for its heart.
Massive pneumatic disc brakes are installed on all wheel ends. Even though the motors do most of the braking, these are installed.
A complex nervous system of airlines ensures the beast stops as fast as it accelerates. Thousands of individual cells unite to create a mega reservoir of energy.
See how the cooling ribbon aligns with the thermal coupling.
Right, ensuring optimal temperature regulation during the cycle.
Copper vanes carry the lifeblood of the truck, pure electricity.
This single battery pack holds enough energy to power a home for a month.
A fortress for energy, sealed against the elements.
The battery doesn't just ride along, it strengthens the entire truck. Lightweight aluminum skin maximizes range without sacrificing strength.
Shaped by wind tunnels, built by robots.
A sterile surface. Al Secrets is the secret to a flawless finish.
Pearl white, a signature color that reflects the future.
Human eyes verify what robotic hands created. Miles of copper wire are hidden within the walls, waiting to carry data. A minimalist cockpit designed for maximum focus.
Two screens replace 1,000 buttons.
Ready for the glass?
Glass tough enough to survive the harshest trucking environments.
Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Setting the bolts now.
Sensors connected.
Designed for a solo pilot, but ready for a co-pilot. Instead of giant glass mirrors that create drag, workers install sleek aerodynamic stalks containing high-definition
Lighting that keeps the driver alert and focused. Four bolts connect the driver to the road.
Instant climate control, powered by the battery, not an idling engine.
Smoothing the air to squeeze every mile of range from the battery.
It's freaky. These vents open to cool the battery when needed, but close tight on the highway to reduce drag. A quick test cycles.
Fit and finish, measured in microns. High-pressure nitrogen keeps the tires stable under massive loads. High-pressure nitrogen keeps the tires stable under massive loads.
Robots lift the weight so humans don't have to. A vacuum fill ensures every battery cell is perfectly bathed in coolant.
Laser precision ensures the truck tracks straight and true.
Okay, bring the beam up slightly on the left.
How does that look?
Perfect. The cutoff is right on the horizon line.
A simulated hurricane checks for a single drop of leak.
Calibration complete. Sensors locked in.
Excellent. Generating the report now.
The final handshake, confirming the ability to refuel at megawatt speeds.
The mark of the future is pressed into place.
Pristine condition for the first driver who climbs aboard.
A silent fleet ready to change the world.
Aerodynamics that slice through the air like a sports car.
Welcome to the depot. We're ready for the handover.
Thanks, appreciate the quick turnaround.
The keys to the future are just a credit card.
Here, sir. The press film transit and track and brakes.
Smart suspension adapts instantly to the heavy load.
Route confirmed. Optimizing for battery efficiency and terrain. Please proceed.
Maximum load, zero struggle.